This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Rachael Panariello. Duplex with both A and B units. This is a very rare find. Investment opportunity. Each unit has 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. New HVAC units replaced in 2020-2021. All new luxury vinyl plank flooring and carpet installed summer 2021. Primary bedroom with a full bathroom on the first floor. Each unit has newer LG washer and dryer. Electrical upgrade in 2021 on side B. Each side has a utility shed for extra storage. Ample parking for 4+ vehicles. Plenty of backyard space and fully fenced. Concrete front and back patios with an open frame porch. For more information, review the details below.